She stepping through the building. When she stepping through the building, she gonna fuck me. She got lucky. Don't trust me. But when she stepping through the building, she wanna fuck me. She got lucky. Bitch done gave me brain, she a genius. I think she knows something, that shit convenient. My cousin's doing 10, he in the pen. And take them shackles off his feet, he ain't a slave. He been go for long, I don't remember his name. That shit hurt a nigga hard, yeah it do. Niggas faking for these niggas always changing. This shit be crazy, this street be dangerous. I don't give no fuck about him, bro, I'm shameless. Kick him in his face just like Shaman. Throwing hella rocks at the chain gang. Nigga, what you want? We on the same thing. Get that money, gang, and maintain. Ziggies on my neck, I let my chain swing. Swerving in the lane, swerving lane to lane. Damn, a nigga red, that shit crazy. Coulda lost my life, thank God I'm still here. Nigga, I remember days I was riding in a bucket, nigga. Up late night with the street lights. Doing 100 on a 95. I might get pulled over, but I don't really give a fuck. Got a little boy, now I gotta be smarter. Getting money harder. But I'm in the booth, I go harder. When I'm on a perk, it make me feel like a rock star. Beat that nigga block with that 9, I'm a Glock star. Rolling, rolling, I can't control it. Rolling, rolling, I can't control it. Perky got a young nigga dozing. I'm on a flight, bitch, I'm floating. Gotta get that check, gotta run it up. All in the mall, we in Saxville. Buying that drip, that's that Gucci shit. Get the low phone in. But Lindsay stepping through the building, she wanna fuck me, she got lucky. Bitch done gave me brain, she a genius. I think she knows something, that shit convenient.